Make a great choice today with the 2014 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, multifunction display, power steering. Come see the car for yourself.